Welcome to this tutorial on how to migrate to Google Analytics filters. Google Analytics filters help you refine your data and gain more accurate insights into your website traffic. To start, you need to have a Google Analytics account and some basic knowledge of how it works. First, log in to your Google Analytics account and navigate to the admin section. This is where you can manage your account settings, including filters. Click on the Filters tab and you will see a list of existing filters. If you don't have any filters set up, this list will be empty. To create a new filter, click on the Add Filter button. Here, you will need to choose the type of filter you want to apply. There are several types of filters, including include, exclude, lowercase, uppercase, and search and replace. Choose the type of filter that best suits your needs. For example, if you want to exclude traffic from a specific IP address, you would choose the exclude filter type and enter the IP address. If you want to include only traffic from a specific domain, you would choose the include filter type and enter the domain name. Once you have chosen the filter type, you need to configure the filter settings. This will vary depending on the type of filter you are creating. For example, if you are creating an exclude filter, you will need to enter the IP address or domain name you want to exclude. After configuring the filter settings, you need to apply the filter to the correct view. You can apply filters to the account level or the view level. Applying filters to the account level will apply them to all views in the account, while applying filters to the view level will only apply them to the specific view. Best practice is to apply filters to the view level, as this gives you more control over which data is being filtered. You should also test your filters to make sure they are working correctly. You can do this by checking the filter verification tool in Google Analytics. In addition to creating new filters, you can also import filters from other Google Analytics accounts. This can be useful if you have multiple accounts and want to apply the same filters to all of them. To import filters, click on the Import Filter button and follow the prompts to select the account and filters you want to import. Finally, it is essential to regularly review and maintain your filters to ensure they are working correctly and not affecting your data. You should also keep in mind that filters can affect your data retroactively, so it is crucial to test them before applying them to your live data. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively migrate to Google Analytics filters and improve the accuracy of your website traffic data. Remember to regularly review and maintain your filters to ensure they are working correctly and providing you with the insights you need to make informed decisions.